Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Andy Rocks. And today we have the GoPro 10, and I just ordered it from Amazon 2 days ago. So let's unbox this. Whenever you see something like this on your Amazon package, it means there's something battery cells inside the packet. So let's unbox this. So here is my GoPro 10. And let me tell you why I have ordered GoPro 10, because all I need is a 4K 60 fps, and that's all it has. And maybe it has more than that, but I don't need it. So as you can see here, it has 5K 60 fps and 4K 120 fps and 2.5K 240 fps. So that's a lot for me. And 33 feet waterproof, so you can submerge it into water and go down to 10 meters, so 33 feet. And it has voice control, 8K 8x slow-mo, data overlays, time wrap 3.0, live streaming. All this stuff is not really necessary for me. I had one Hero GoPro 8, I think that was 8, yeah, 8 black, and that was really amazing product I have ever used, but unfortunately I lost it, so I had to order something, another GoPro. And yeah, here it is, and it's really cheap now in 2024, so that's why it's a value for money product right now, I think, because Hero 13 or 12 or whatever the newest products are, they are really expensive. I mean, more expensive than this, so I don't find that useful to have those extra unnecessary stuff. So if you can save some extra bucks and buy some other stuff, like this is a mic you can purchase, it's from Boya. And guys, all the links, all the gadgets that I am showing on this video right now, you'll get the link in the video description box, so you can find these things. And you can see I have helmet mounts, 2 helmet mounts, and all these things. So yeah, that's it. And you might need this is the motovlogging housing. So here is the GoPro mic adapter. So you must need a mic adapter to do motovlogging, because without this thing you won't be able to capture audio. I mean, you won't be able to attach your mic directly to your GoPro, and it is really costly. It's like 4,500 rupees in India. So that's why, guys, you can save some extra bucks. Don't have to order GoPro 13 or the latest model if you are tight in your budget. So yeah, let's unbox this. Let's not waste much time. Okay, it's a really good packaging. Okay, all right, so here it is. Okay, man, I'm really bad with unboxing. Okay, so once you open this, I hope I'm on the right side. Okay, so you'll get something like this, and it's a really nice smell coming out. Dun, dun, dun. So I don't know, some documentation. This is the stickers you get, GoPro, and the manual book, and here it is. Voila. So you will get a type C USB cable. So this is type C to USB type B. Okay, it's GoPro written on it, and it's a really nice quality data cable, guys. The last one I had was really good, and the data transfer speed is really nice, so good cable. Okay, so let's remove this stuff, and then the mount, thumb screw. What is this? The battery pack. The last two GoPros I had, there was some battery issues, and the battery had overheating issues. A little bit thicker than the GoPro 8. And then you get the mount, and here is a lock. I don't think this is really necessary stuff, but it's good to have it. Rubber lock here. So finally the camera. There you have it, guys. So that's it. And let's remove this. Wow. And ta-da. Dual screens, so one is on your front side, another one is on your back side. So the last time I had my GoPro didn't have a front screen, so it's really good for vloggings or vloggers, so good for me. And it has a built-in mount. The last GoPro I had didn't have it. All right, so here's the battery pack and your charging port here. So that's all what we have, guys. The camera itself, a battery, a screw, thumb screw, data cable, and both side mount. So guys, I have already ordered a 128 GB Evo Plus Samsung's SD card, which is this one. First of all, the battery pack. So the memory card will be like this way, and it goes like this, and just press it. That's it, done. So close the lid now. Make sure it closes properly. That's it, done. So let's turn it on. So guys, after putting it on the charge, because it didn't have that much of power lift, so as you can see, the Hero 10 Black is on here, and this animation is really nice. You can see it's really nice. Okay, so let's see what's on the screen. By using GoPro, I agree. Okay, GPS tag. So whenever you turn on the GPS, it takes the battery charge. So if you want to keep it on, you can on, but I do it when I really need it, because for example, if I want to add a GPS speedometer, then in that particular video the GPS mode has to be turned on, otherwise you won't be able to get the accurate speedometer or something like that. So for here I don't really want this because it takes a lot of battery. And that's it. Install GoPro quick on your phone to finish it. Okay, let's do that. All right, so here we have installed the GoPro quick app. So let's turn this thing on. So as you can see, it's turned on, and let's open this app as well. Okay, I agree. So here in this app, if you don't have any account, you can create an account. So I already have an account, that's why I'm going to sign in. So it is asking if you own a GoPro. So yes. Do you have your GoPro on? Yes. So as you can see, your camera is being shown here. So let's do the setup here as well. English, I agree. And for the GPS stuff, for now let's turn it on. Afterward I will turn it off. So now you can hit the connect camera, allow, and that's it. Hero 10 Black connect. Pairing, yes. So it's successfully paired. Swipe down to access the dashboard. So as you can see, it's successfully connected. So you can name your camera here. So I will just leave it as it is, Hero 10 Black. Okay, save new name. Okay, continue. Update camera. Connect. Accept. So I think my camera is being updated with the latest firmware or some software update or something. So as you can see here, transferring update to your camera. Update complete. Let's see what happens next. So all right, so it's, I think, successfully done. What about this? I think that's it for the setup process. Now you can change anything from your settings. So that's it, guys. So if you want any more updates or something like that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and see you guys soon in my next video. Until then, keep rocking.